Okay. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be testing out how to make slime. There was this video, like the video where I got this from, they made it out of water and soap, and I was just like, that can't happen. What did they do? They had to add borax, eye contact solution, or something like that. So I'm gonna uncover the truth. I'm gonna make it with the same exact ingredients. So if it doesn't work, those people like stop stop filming, put some borax, whatever they put in it, what borax contact solution or detergent in it or something like that. They did something like that. I'm going to put the video down in the description. So let's just get started. As you can kind of see, there's soap in it. I don't want to tip it even more over more. Now I'm just gonna add the water, just a little bit of water. Okay. It is kind of thickening up for some reason. Like, okay, I'm just gonna like add. Guys, if you do want to try this out, if you want to try this out yourself, like try it out and comment down below if it worked or not, because like they did a time lapse video and yeah, it worked, but I have no idea what I'm saying right now. So I'm just like Nancy. Guys, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna like try and do it myself. Like go off the railings and just like do this myself. If you just like make it really fast, then bubbles come out of it. And I know this is a short video. It did not work, but I'm going to go get my detergent really quick, as fast as I can, because because I can't edit this because, well, my computer's down and we have to buy a new one. So I have to run as fast as I can to get the detergent all the way to the bathroom, and it's so heavy. So, bye. I'm back with this whole thing of detergent. And if you did not know, yes, I am in the bathroom. Like, it's like pure bubble soap. Might not work. So like, I'm gonna add detergent. Yo, I added a lot. It did not work. It did not work at all. Let me just like blend that so. I'm just gonna add all this. Guys, I want you to try this out. I feel like the only reason it did not work was because I added water before. So I want you to mix the soap up. Do not add water and then put detergent. I want to see what the results are from you guys because the results could be a lot different. Wait. No. Wait. Add the rest of the water and it was like, okay guys, I am not giving up on this slime. I'm gonna keep on adding detergent to see what happens. And yeah. Yep, no. But it is kind of cool. Shit. Guys, this yes, you actually do need glue to make this. I don't have glue, so that's the problem. I tried my best. Okay guys, I'm gonna quickly wash my hands and the video ends here. But seriously, I can't even stop the video. My hands are covered in soap. So much like this one. Yeah, guys, before I even stop this video, I have to find a way to. Just in the bathroom taking toilet paper, that's all I'm doing. So bye guys, I know you can't see my face because I got you closer. And